As digital transactions surge, the demand for drone delivery is set to soar in the coming years. Buying locally feels like ordering from another city with a week-long wait. Drones, unaffected by traffic, promise faster deliveries. Traffic congestion and collision risks are prime contributors to delays and potential damages. Emissions, driven largely by fuel-powered vehicles, escalate pollution levels, especially in Indonesian metropolises like Jakarta. Drones can effortlessly reach remote spots, challenging for ground vehicles.
Welcome to Hayago, a pioneering team of developers crafting the future of deliveries. Our state-of-the-art drone technology utilizes an advanced adaptive sliding mode control combined with the Kalman filter, all integrated on the robotic operating system. With a seamless bridge to the cloud server, real-time communication with our mobile application is just a tap away. Imagine the convenience of ordering an item right from your device. With Hayago's drone delivery app, experience real-time, secure purchasing. Say goodbye to lengthy waiting times and hello to the future of instantaneous shopping. But it's not just the consumers who benefit. Sellers, too, are notified swiftly on the Hayago platform, ensuring they're always one step ahead, ready to process your order without delay. Behind the scenes, our dedicated Hayago team gets to work. As your order is placed, our drone is prepped for its mission: precise pickup from the seller's location and an accurate, swift delivery to your doorstep. Our vision? A drone system resilient against disturbances, be it from human interference or nature's unpredictability. Hayago is committed to setting a gold standard in drone delivery robustness. Our vision? A drone system resilient against disturbances, be it from human interference or nature's unpredictability. Hayago is committed to setting a gold standard in drone delivery robustness.